Okay, so we have our drawing here, drawing properties. We have our project here, 09 settings and configurations. We want to add our drawing properties drawing to our 09 project. So as usual, it's a right click here and add active drawing. Do you want to apply the project default values to the drawing settings? I'm going to say yes in this instance, and you'll see that that adds drawing properties as the second sheet in the settings and configurations project. If I right click on drawing properties there though and go to properties and then click on drawing properties there's my sheet value as I've told you to edit so that you've got sequential sheets. Now I could put a description in there, for example, but let's look at the tabs at the top. Components. When I add a component, I can set it to be sequential in this particular drawing. So I'll set that to 001, like so. I can do the same with my wire numbering. Again, %n is number for wires. I'm going to go 001 as the beginning wire number with an increment of 1 each time. Now you'll find when you're working with wiring in circuits that you don't normally use an increment of 1. You'd probably use an increment of say 10 or 20 to allow for more wires to be added. Cross-reference drawings, again, the settings are in there. Styles, arrow styles, PLC styles, fan in and out marker styles. We've also got drawing format. Ladder defaults, are they normally horizontal? Are they normally vertical? What's the default spacing? This is all for the drawing. You can also set this for the project. I'll OK that now, and I'm going to save my drawing. So now let's zoom in on this ladder here in the top left corner. And I'm going to go now to my schematic tab and go to my icon menu on the Insert Components panel. So I click there, icon menu, and I'm going to select relays and contacts, and I want a relay coil. So I'm going to go for a relay coil there. That is a component. And I'm going to drop that just on that wire there. Notice the component tag starts at K001. I'm just going to OK that now, and that appears there on the drawing. Now that has actually snapped to the top of that wire there. I didn't really want it to do that, so let's just undo that a second. And when I place the component this time, I'll switch off OSnap like so, and I'll go to the icon menu, and I'll go to Relays Contacts, and go to that relay coil again. Let's drop that there like so. Then it doesn't snap to the top of the wire there on the ladder. Notice because I've undone it, it goes back to 001. I'll OK that. There's 001. Now, let's go back to the icon menu and insert another relay coil. There's recently used, so I can just select relay coil there. I'll drop it there like so. Notice the next component tag is K002. I'll OK that. Or how about OK repeat? Let's try that out and let's drop another relay coil in. It goes to K003. So it uses that sequential numbering system that I set up in my drawing properties. I'll OK that now. What I need to do there is align those. So I click there, align, and it says align components. So I need to click on align there, select the component to align with. I'll go with 001 there. I want it horizontally, so I select 1 and 2, right click, and they all align nice and neatly. So that's how you can set your drawing properties to work sequentially for you. Much quicker, much easier, and then I've got 3 components there, all the same, but they are numbered sequentially in the drawing properties for me. Saves a lot of time in editing later on.